Welcome to Section 5 and the last section of our Bing Ads video training, additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's and don'ts. There is an incessant amount of information that we need to process when we are working on a marketing plan, and it's tenfold once we execute it. This is especially true for online advertising campaigns, and it is easy to make mistakes while we learn how to do it correctly. We have learned that the hard way, and because of that, we have decided to create a list of do's and don'ts that you should be aware of during your Bing Ads adventures. Do's. Bid on commercial intent keywords. Commercial intent keywords are those keywords used by people who are ready to buy something. They will require higher bid amounts, but they will drive higher sales while giving you back a significant return on investment. Commercial intent keywords often couple words such as buy and cheaper along with the name of the product or service that the person ready to buy is after. Use the Research Keywords tool. It can be hard to determine which keywords are working for driving sales and which are not, so using the Research Keywords tool in your Bing account will help you with that. You just have to enter your keyword and let the Research Keywords tool comb its updated keyword database to see what's best for your campaign. Target broad matches. We recommend you target broad matches because your ads can potentially reach people using search terms that you haven't thought of on your own. Add negative keywords to your campaigns. There are the keywords that you want to target, and then there are the keywords that you would like to avoid. You'll not run into this problem if you only target exact match keywords. But if you target broad keywords, you can easily lose money by letting the system bid on totally irrelevant terms. Make your ad titles work at 32 characters. When your ads are served to people in the network, their titles will be truncated to 32 characters, which means that you need to show the most important information within those first 32 characters. In fact, it will be better if you can simply create 32-character titles to make them more attractive. Target locally. The Bing Ads network works especially well with locally targeted offers, and local targeting is also great for optimizing your campaign's SEO at a local level. Doing local targeting can boost your business revenue because 3 out of 4 mobile searches end up in local purchases. Run device-specific campaigns. Bing Ads will allow you to create campaigns for mobile devices and desktops separately. We recommend that you create separate campaigns for each device when possible, because this will allow you to customize your bids according to keyword performance on each device. Test your ad images and ad copies. Always remember to test 2 or more variations of the same ad to learn which works better with your customers. Constantly testing and optimizing your ads can make all the difference between a series of successful campaigns and no customer reach to speak of. Don'ts. Don't create complicated ad copies. The best approach to follow when creating your ad copies is to write them as if they were aimed at 8-year-olds. That is because ads that use simple language and specific terms, employ a brief call to action, and address the customers directly are the ones that convert the most. Don't forget to adjust your campaigns after importing them. One of the most lauded features of the Bing Ads platform is that it allows users to directly import campaigns from Google AdWords with a simple login. This is a great feature to have and one that can save you a lot of time, but you have to remember that your campaigns will not perform the same on each platform. That is why it is important for you to adjust your campaign settings after importing them to Bing Ads, mainly your bids. Then, test how your keywords perform in the Bing platform and adjust them as well. Don't import raw data to your ads feed. While it is true that you can save some time by importing data from a file in your computer to your campaigns, you have to be aware that such information won't necessarily be imported in a way that can be easily shown in an ad, like when you import color codes from a catalog. Don't submit irrelevant search terms. Irrelevant search terms are keywords or phrases that are irrelevant to your campaigns, such as trending topics or popular keywords not at all related to your offers. If you use irrelevant terms as keywords with hopes of attracting lots of traffic, you'll end up spending a lot of your budget on equally irrelevant traffic, and your account will most likely be suspended for violation of terms of service. Don't neglect your quality score. Your quality score is what will determine how much you are charged for your bids and how high you'll rank on search results. The thing about keeping a high quality score is that it requires some technical tweaking that can be easy to overlook in the beginning, especially when you are new to this. We recommend you start by making your keywords relevant to your ads and your landing pages. When you group keywords that are not relevant to each other, your ads or your landing page, all because you think they will help you reach more people, your quality score will stay low. Only target keywords that can be easily associated to your ad copy and content on your landing page. If you can't easily make associations between them, they're not good enough. Also, use broad matches and insert keywords into your URL paths. Don't omit ad extensions. A lot of marketers aren't using ad extensions in their campaigns, and they're there for a reason. Ad extensions will help you reach your customers by allowing you to add additional information into your ads according to your advertising goals. Don't ignore your competition. Use your competition as inspiration and a useful resource to find out what is working within your industry. You can research your competition by yourself, the old-fashioned way, or you can use a competition spying tool. But your aim should be to find the best performing ads from the top players. These ads will tell you a lot about what type of ads are working with your type of business, so you can use the same keywords and imagery that your top-rated competitors are using. Don't forget to optimize your campaigns over time. You can decide that it is time to just let it go and relax by the poolside once you see that your campaigns are converting. But remember that success is all about testing and optimizing. All the time. Remember, your ads will always be able to perform better than they are performing right now.